Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add the requirements on role linked role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, and now click here. Now as you see here you'll find the links, click on it, and now you will find here other requirements. Here you can choose any requirements and add it. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.